Hey lovelies, on the menu today is butterfly chicken and we need chicken drumsticks to make this recipe. If you're new here, my name is Kai and I share quick, easy and very delicious recipes on this channel. To clean the drumsticks, I'm going to use 1 lemon, squeeze the juice, add plenty of water, clean the drumsticks 2 to 3 times until the water is very clear and you are 100% sure you have cleaned the chicken properly. After that, I will show you all the seasoning we're going to use to make sure we have the perfect taste for the butterfly drumstick. It's time to cut the drumstick now. I'm using a knife on both sides, but you can try as well to use scissors. As long as you get this shape, is good. To all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you're all well. If you're new here, you are also very welcome. If you don't want to miss out on my yummy recipes, don't forget to subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you can be notified when I upload a new video. These are the seasoning we're going to use for today's recipe. We have a teaspoon of garlic and coriander, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon as well of cumin and ginger, about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a teaspoon of paprika. Now I'm going to add all the seasoning and mix everything well. Don't forget to add about a tablespoon of any oil of your choice. Well, in this case, I'm using olive oil, and make sure you mix everything properly so all your seasoning can penetrate your chicken properly, and let it marinate for half an hour, or you can leave it in the fridge overnight as well. That will be fine. After 30 minutes, it's time to fry the drumsticks. So I just added some oil, heat it up for 6 to 7 minutes, and I'm going in now with the drumsticks. I'll fry one side until I get the golden color, and then I'll flip the other side as well and fry it properly. After another 9 minutes, the other side is also ready, and you can see how inviting these drumsticks are. I'm doing the exact same thing with the second batches now, flipping it again, and once that is also fried properly, all our drumsticks will be ready to serve. So feel free to pair this with some fries, rice, couscous, or just salad. So I'm going to make the sauce now. I'm going in with about a tablespoon of mayonnaise and a teaspoon of sweet chili sauce. You can add a little bit of salt as well and mix everything well. And that's my sauce ready. I'll try it and let you know exactly what I think. In Togo, we say midunulo, meaning you are invited. So let's dip this right into it. That's for you right there. I'm just enjoying this by itself for now, but later on I had it with some salad. But let me know in the comment section, what would you pair this with? I'd love to know. Guys, I have to say bye now and enjoy these drumsticks. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.